Hey, Shane from Procheck Automotive. Just a quick one today, a little technical tip for you. ZD30 Patrols with a squeaky belt. Now, you try all the things you can, dry lube, wet lube, belt grip, the Old Spice trick that's going around. Nothing works. If you put a new belt on, it still doesn't work. The issue is the tensioner. Now, I'll show you on the bench now what they look like and why they're failed. All right, so we've got the two tensioners out on the bench. So if we just grab this one here, we should be able to make it move in and out. But and the new one has no movement because inside there's a little push, and this one no longer has a bush. So that is the problem with the squeak. You can't get any more adjustment out of it. The tensioner has lost its possible adjustment range, so you need to replace the tensioner as well. That's the new tensioner and pulley in place, all fitted up, ready to go. And then it's a matter of just replacing the belt now as well. But back out here, fan shrouds off, intake off, intercooler off, just to give you that room. But you can see, not a hard job, it's just a bit of a fiddly job getting out of the way, but that'll get rid of your squeal.